Now, there is two ways of taking this dihedral out. Okay, one way is to use your iron, and what you do, you get lots of kitchen towel and you soak it and lay it flat on the top side, put a towel underneath here, okay, and put some wet tissue underneath. You then get the iron, you heat this up. This makes it expand, which forces this down, okay, and then you hold it down and you put a heavy weight on it, like some books or whatever you've got at hand, okay. But don't be afraid to be abusive with this, because this will take a lot of punishment. You can bend it. It's not going to snap, okay. The other method is to use boiling water. So that's what I'm going to use on this occasion, and we'll see how it turns out, which means that I have to stop and start this video because well, it's in the kitchen, so you have to do these sort of things when there's nobody in the house or bothering you and stuff like that. And, you know, it's not a studio, so bear with me, and I'll see you in just a second. Now for the next part, I hope you can be able to hear me okay, because I'm going to turn the cold tap on. Okay, nice and cold. So this is what we're going to do. I'll just boil the kettle, and you pour the hot water over the joint. Yeah, like so. Then you bend it, okay, and then you put it under the cold water. This will give a rapid contraction, okay, and hopefully, yeah, it's starting to work. So put a bit more hot water on it. Bend it, and don't let your glasses steam up like mine do. It's like working on a foggy day. And put it under the cold tap. Notice I've got it at this angle. Yeah. And forward to let it go. And you see how that's coming out now. Yeah. Just needs a little bit more. Okay, so I'll just put the kettle back on, let it heat up again, and I'll just keep doing that. Alright, it's boiled again. More hot water either side. Only need it over the joint. Okay, bend it and then cool it. The rapid cooling will help it to the molecules in the foam to stay put. And that is how to do that. Yeah. In fact, I might give it one more go. There's a slight ripple. Okay. So on the joint. There you go. Bend it backwards. This is the leading edge, okay? Under the cold water. I might give it one more go after this just to make sure. See how we get on. And this dihedral is only very slightly still there, so let's give it one more go. Now you'll notice there's no damage to that at all. Yeah, there's nothing at all, but that dihedral's still slightly there. So let me just boil the kettle one more time. Hopefully it'll zip into life fairly quickly. Yes, it has. So here we go. We pour the boiling water over it. Just do it equally either side. Okay, and then be quick about it. Cold water. Look at that. Gone. Okay, so what I will do is I will just leave a pencil here overnight, just to give that a little bit extra, and just do the same for the opposite side. Now I've nearly run out of boiling water, but I'll give it a quick try. Okay. There we go. So it's come out a little bit. So I'll just keep doing that until the dihedral is completely out. And like I said, I'll leave that overnight with a pencil like this one. You put it there like that. Leave it on a flat surface. Yeah. And we'll just weight down the ends. Come the morning, that'll be as flat as a pancake. But obviously, if you need to take it out some more, well, hey, this only took a few minutes, so it's not a big deal, is it? So that's how you take out the dihedral of your wing. And in a moment or two, which will be tomorrow, I expect, I will show you how to mark things up, and you know, and then eventually show you where the centre of gravity is. You'll probably notice there that I've already marked up where the fuselage relates to the wing. It's important to do this because if you're putting servos in, you want to put them in an equal distance, because this will balance the wing, so it'll stop the aircraft from tilting this way all the time or tilting this way all the time. And when you come to trim it out, it's just that little bit easier to make sure that you have your servos either side. And I'll just turn this watch off because it's killing the environment, according to the kids. And then you'll be able to trim, well, not trim, use your pencil and draw around this. So this will be going this way, and your cable will be cut into the wing and come out here like this. Okay, and then you just put it through to the fuselage, or the fuzz as we like to say in the game. And I'll show you how to do all of that. So what you will need is, you will need a ruler, and you will need tape measure, and you will need your pencil, and you will need your servo. And once again, this is a 9-gram SG90. You can see that all right. Okay, make sure you got all that, and we'll move on to the next part.
That's all, folks.